When installing Nichiha's architectural wall panels, your final course at the top of your wall will most likely need the panels cut to size in order to finish the wall. This video will show some tips on how to complete the top course correctly. For training purposes, we are going to use this next course on our demonstration wall as if it were the final top course, like one going into a soffit or overhang, or into required compression joint flashing. Measure the height and width of your space and cut your first panel to size. Make sure to also cut the shiplap off the left side of your first panel so it will fit into the double flange correctly. Clean the dust off from the panel and seal the cut edges to protect it from moisture intrusion as described in our video, Tips for Installing Panels. Now that your panel is cut to size, you'll need to prep your wall for face fastening. The first step is to fasten corrugated shims, as the shims are used to keep an air gap and rain screen space between the panel after face fastening. Make sure you have enough shims to cover the length of your space. Position the shim 1 inch from the top edge of the wall space you're trying to complete. Then tack the shim into place with roofing nails. Install the first panel on your final course by inserting the bottom shiplap of the panel onto the ultimate clip. Slide the panel into your double flange, making sure it is securely and completely seated. After installing a joint tab for the panel where required, you're now ready to face fasten the panel to the wall. For detailed instructions on this final step, see our video titled Face Fastening Tips. Continue installing panels on your final course by repeating these same installation steps, making sure to add a joint tab and face fasten each panel on the row until your wall is complete. For more information about Nichiha's architectural wall panels, visit nichiha.com.